all the snacks. I'm so ready for my flight to Hawaii. I'm on my seat.
There's no screen. You have the app to watch something?
Right.
Anywhere you go, you belong.
COVID, everyone has to check in and show their little pass to the lady at the front in order to get out of Hawaii. See my pass here. So that's for COVID. Sorry. It looks pretty so far. Good morning, guys. So this is technically our first day in Hawaii. So we have like a side ocean view room. So you can see the ocean like way over there, right there, like a little lake and boat dock. But this is Honolulu. And so today we're going to the grand snorkeling tour. And when I tell you guys I did not see a turtle on this tour, not one time. I didn't snorkel in no nice ocean like I was promised. But I mean, it was worth it. We got to see a lot of cool places and go do a lot of cool things. So I guess it was worth it.
Good food over there. There's a wall going on right there. You guys see it? Anyway, if you still want to snorkel today, guys, go on this side of the wall. There's a lot of fish to see, guys. Out there, shadow. That's the island of Molokai. This is the Kaiwi channel. It looks calm now, but when you're out there about 2 miles out there, guys, the water breaks 4 different ways. So if your boat, you turn it off or the engine knock off, you automatically sinking. The water will break behind of your boat.
So next we're heading to Fumi Shrimp, and you guys, when I say they finessed us, this was $15 a plate and $5 for the Dole ice cream. And the cool part about it was we were going to the Dole plantation next, so I didn't even get any ice cream there because I had already had it. We're at the Dole plantation. Oh, these are cute. Look. Where? Oh my, yeah. Lord. And look, they got a Hello Kitty, a pineapple Hello Kitty. You know that's my thing. Pineapple candy. Mango lollipop.
And then they have this. Oh, you right there. They have this. Oh no, you locked out.
What?
They have like this swap meet too.
Oh, let's go.
Oh no.
That's nice.
It's the same thing like the night thing.
Decided to go stop by a place called Aloha Melt that we seen before hitting the club, and when I tell you guys he has the best melt, you should definitely try it. So then next we go to Play Bar, turn up a little bit. They did have the lights on in the club, I guess due to COVID, I don't know, but I mean it was cool, a cool little experience just to have in Hawaii. Why not turn up?
Julie?
No.
No?
What's La
You
Julie?
look like.
Like, what you just call me? That's why I had to make sure, like, you should wait. What you just call me? Hear what she said and not Julie. I was like, the Julie. Okay. Got it. Whatever. They got a. The Jordan store? Oh, yeah. What's the Julie? I have no idea. You're not Julie? I'm like, you can have some camera. No, you can have camera. Right? That would be fine.
That is Saks, but they are closed. So after a little shopping around at the mall, we did decide to do breakfast at Duke's. The staff was really, really cool, except for the hostess at the front. That's one of them was very rude. We're not going to speak on it because it doesn't matter. But they had buffet style, which was pretty cool, which you'll see here. It was decent. Then we went to the swap meet, which was dope. You can definitely get a lot of souvenirs for anyone you need on your trip when you guys go to the swap meet. I also suggest I highly recommend renting a car. Just because everything we did on that tour, we didn't get to see all of Hawaii, so we decided to rent a car, and it was the best, honestly, the best thing to do. But so you guys can explore, visit the Aloha Stadium like we did. I definitely suggest getting a car. I was able to walk away getting almost everyone a souvenir, and I also got myself this cute pink towel that I used at the beach that following afternoon. It was really nice. I mean, Hawaii is a nice vibe. I definitely suggest anyone goes. So then we went to Little Joe's Steakhouse that night for dinner. And when I tell you the dinner was immaculate, you can cut the steak with the butter knife. And I don't eat pink meat. It's not my thing. But you could cut that steak. I had a well done steak, and you can cut it with a butter knife. Everything was immaculate. Everything. It was a horrible experience. I would never do that again. First of all, this was $125 for a buffet. Where was the buffet? I just wanted to know. Second of all, they had park benches, and we had to sit all the way in the back, far from the show. So if you see in one of these pictures, you can see the stage is in the middle, and we're all the way to the back. I was so pissed. But at the end of the day, we were just like, we're here. There's nothing we can do. They won't let us leave. So, hey, you just have to enjoy it, right? Right. What kind of meat is it?
So there's chicken, fish, and the pork in there.
And this one's chicken. Oh, all in one?
Yep.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Enjoy.
Oh, thank you.
You belong, honey. said anywhere.
You guys have to check out Scratch Kitchen, a super dope eatery I found on TikTok. So it was really good and I enjoyed myself. You guys definitely have to check it out. So you guys, this concludes the end of my Hawaii girls trip. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and hope to see you guys soon. Thank you. On my next vacation, actually, we will be going to Houston, guys. So turn up, turn up.